Hi everyone, welcome to the Ravit Show. We are here at Flink Forward Asia. I'm super excited to be here with Perry from
Sure.
Alibaba. Perry, welcome to the Ravit Show.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to
Uh,
have you here.
Perry, I'm super excited to chat with you about various things around customer adoption.
Yeah.
I'm kind of curious to know about Fluss, Flink, communities, a lot more. But just for
Quite
our
a lot.
audience, yeah,
Yeah.
just for our audience, would you like to quickly introduce yourself? Tell us more about what you do at Alibaba.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Perry Hua.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm here in Singapore,
Yep.
I'm the product manager lead for the
Yep.
Alibaba Cloud real-time compute.
Yep.
And my team goal is to just design and also plan the Alibaba Cloud services for Flink to give the perfect solution and also product to our customers
Yes.
who want to process their data in a real-time way.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's right.
Okay. Perry, I'm pretty sure since you work very closely with a lot of customers,
Sure,
large enterprises out there as
quite a
well.
lot.
Yeah, I'm wanting to know a little bit about what are the biggest challenges that you see the enterprises facing, and what sort of solution do you have for that?
Yeah, I think it's a good question for that. We have nearly every week we are talking about our customers. We heard quite a lot of questions, but four key pain points there in our customer scenarios. The first one is the latency versus your cost, because everyone want to process their data quicker and quicker.
Yes.
But
Yes.
the money is limited, and they have to choose how to balance their design for the latency and also the money in their pocket.
Right.
So
Right.
so that's the one thing, and another one is optional burden. If you want to do the data processing in a real-time way, you have to set up all the infrastructures and all the like cluster. You have managed massive of like pipelines, and you have do the metrics alerting and also some you have collect the logs there. So you you have to pay much more attention to the setup process.
Right.
So that will cost you pay less attention to your business values. Yeah, and that's another pain point. The third one is like when you are running the jobs on your in your production environment. If something terrible happens, you have to diagnose what happened. So it's very urgent, but it's also very painful.
Painful.
Yeah,
So true.
if you manage your own Flink cluster in your like IDC or on the like ICE EC2 or something like that. Yeah, and then the fourth one is like uh, everyone talking about AI, how to combine the AI with your Flink, with your real-time pipelines,
Yeah.
how to like give all the business values based on a large language model is a very challenging and also very exciting topic today. So that's that's four pain points,
Yep.
and we Alibaba Cloud real-time compute will solve all these kind of problems for you. The first one is the latency and also the cost.
Gosh, true.
Yeah, we have our own enterprise grade engine based on Apache Flink.
Nice.
It is fully compatible with Apache Flink, so you don't have change any code. You don't have to change any SQL if you are if you are if you use the Apache Flink before, and based on the Apache Flink, we have more enterprise grade features and also ultra performance.
Yep.
We have 2 to 3 faster engine compared with the open source one. Yeah. So if you want to have more performance, more ultra performance compared with open source one, you could just choose our cloud services.
Nice.
That's the one, and other one is, and the second challenge is to manage the cluster, like I said before. Uh, the Alibaba Cloud services is a fully managed services for Flink. You don't have to care about your cluster or EC2 or how to buy the machine, and based on the based on the console, you could just handle all the things in your daily work. Like you could manage your pipelines, you could just get the metrics and also get all the alerting. You could just develop your Flink SQL in our web IDE. And the third challenge, uh, like I said before, it's about the how to diagnose.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
quite urgent, but we have two kind of features to help you. One
Yep.
is the advisor, smart advisor. Yes, we we could diagnose your job before you find there is something terrible happened, and we could provide the actionable suggestions to you if
That's nice.
something
Yeah.
happens. Yeah, and we have another one like called autopilot. We could switch, like track your resource of your job, and if I find, well, I think the resource is inefficient, we could just tweak your job automatically.
Yeah.
So you don't have to just worry about the resource and also the peak of your business. Yeah.
These are fantastic insights and great points that you've mentioned, not only just about the challenges that the customers, the enterprises face, but also the solution that Alibaba is kind of providing to them. So thanks for sharing that. I'm kind of also, since we are on this topic, can you share a little bit about the use cases from the businesses when it comes to real-time compute, and that has kind of made a clear business
Yeah.
impact with our audience?
Yeah. 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 Let me have a case from the uh, electronic electronic automobile. Yeah. Uh, it's a huge company from China. Picture that one EV, one EV on the road. If you drive the EV, many datas will be collecting during your driving.
Yep.
Yeah, quite a lot of data, sensor data
Yep.
from the car,
Yes.
and also from the pictures captured by your camera, and also like some traffic information. Yeah, all the all the data will be collected by our Flink, yeah, from the car, and we will write down to the downstream like Fluss. Yeah. After that, Flink SQL will work for the data processing and also analyze
Interesting.
all the data from the car, and write down to the Paimon, which will be the data analytic happened there. Yeah,
Yep.
and millions of data transformed from the car to
Car.
the end, and many things could happen, like the security engineer will be analyze how the car, how the security of the car, and we could just recommend more service to our driver,
Nice.
some alert.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
But yeah, I think EV itself is like a massive thing.
Yeah.
We've been kind of seeing so much of EV.
Yeah, EV just
Industry is like
yeah.
growing massively,
Sure,
right?
sure, yes.
And
Because you could just imagine the EV as a bigger cell phone today.
so true,
Yeah.
so true. This is great.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing that,
Sure.
Perry. And one more quick question: when it comes to platform, how does your platform achieve seamless integration between streaming, data lakes, and data warehouses? If you can share a little bit about that.
Yes. So when we are talking about the data analysis, uh, you have to balance your performance and also your cost
Yep.
today. So we have various kinds of solutions there. Yeah, because in open source world we know that Flink plus Kafka is a perfect match, but 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 in our opinion, Flink plus Fluss will be a better one, because like Fluss, you could just because Fluss is a streaming and also data unified data storage.
Yep.
Yeah, you on the Fluss you could do nearly everything you did on the Kafka, but also you could also analyze your data on the lake, because Fluss is designed for the like Apache Paimon or Apache Iceberg to seamless integrate with the streaming storage.
Okay.
That's the one thing. And another thing is like Fluss, you could just capture all the capture the columns you are interested in. But in Kafka, if you want to read one record, you have to read all the columns for the record for the record. Uh, for the net cost, the Fluss will reduce quite a lot, and also uh, Fluss could just work more be efficient more efficient with Flink join. If you want to join two stream of the Flink, the Kafka, you have to read all the data from Kafka, and you store your you store your you store your data in the state. But when the state get bigger, it's quite challenging. But in Fluss, you don't have to own that kind of a big state.
Yep.
Will reduce quite a lot. Yes.
Yeah, I think those are fantastic insights, and how Flink and Flu's kind of goes together
Yes.
is pretty interesting. Thanks for sharing those
Sure.
insights. One more quick thing that I wanted to know from you is, how does combining AI with real-time streaming unlock new business value? If you can share a little bit about that too.
Well, as we saw in the trend, uh, many company will just combine all their real time pipeline to the AI. Based on the large language model, we could get more insight from your data. We couldn't just do it like before. So the one thing I say is that we could just call the large language model large language model, and to get the insight from the services and join the data, and then right down to the downstream. So many customers be satisfied with this kind of solutions quite a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. Perry, one last question for you is about the future plans.
Yeah.
So, wanting to know, what are your future plans and innovations in real-time computing and AI integration? Anything that you would like to tell our audience a little bit about the future?
Yes, it's a great question, and in the future we are the first one is we are making a framework uh, about the agent event driven agent,
Yep.
because we believe in the future all the all the event will just flow from the source
Yep.
to a very large multiple multiple agent system.
Right.
And that system will be based on the large language model, as I said before. And then the agent will talk to each other to work out the solution. So that's one thing we are planning. And the second one is that we will be advancing like Fluss. Like in this year, we will announce our public preview of the Fluss on our cloud.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that's
very
amazing.
exciting.
Congrats.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure. And third one is we will try to analyze the video stream in real time, also based on the large language model.
Yeah.
Yes, like we are talking like that.
Yeah.
It will be analyzed in a real time way. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yes.
This is going to be huge for sure.
Sure.
So definitely looking forward to it. I promise one last question for you, and
Yeah.
that is, if people want to follow you, reach out, which is the best place? LinkedIn, X, where can they follow you? Or
Yes.
maybe GitHub.
Yes, I have my LinkedIn. You could just reach me from the LinkedIn.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
This is
Thank you.
great, Perry. Such a pleasure hosting you on the Ravit
Yeah.
Show. We'll keep the conversation going, but you're amazing. Great things that you all are doing in this space.
Nice talking
Thank
to
you.
you. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us.